This man is Marco Shoemaker. He is the CEO of Armtech, one of the emerging startups in trading technology. He and his team are literally changing people's lives. People who have no experience in trading, people who don't want to endure the learning curve that most traders experience, and people who don't have any money to invest in the first place. Armtech has put an end to their money problems forever. Armtech generates millions of dollars in automated income through custom logarithmic prediction with valuable commodities. Mainly gold, but also silver and platinum, amongst others. This may sound like rocket science to you, but watch the following video and by the end, everything will make perfect sense to you. It will open your eyes to a world that has been closed to you for far too long. A world you never imagined you could be a part of. What you are about to witness is for your eyes only, and you are here for a very special reason. Someone cared enough to invite you. But this information is highly confidential. Do not share this information with anyone. You are about to embark on a journey that will show you how money really flows and how the system Armtech is about to offer you will make it flow right into your wallet.
Hi there. Yes, you. Today you are in luck, as you're going to experience a day in the life of the CEO of Armtech Incorporated, a company that focuses on providing wealth through technological prowess in the commodity sector. You will get to see the ups and maybe some downs. The event is not scripted, so prepare yourself for a wild ride as I'm going to unveil the secrets of my company for the first time ever to the public. But first things first. My name is Marco Pierre Shoemaker, and I'm very pleased to meet you. You will see how we operate, the people in charge over here at Armtech, and how you can directly profit from our technology, earning thousands of dollars by as early as tomorrow. I kid you not. I will board my plane to Palo Alto soon, and that's where our headquarters are. I have a team meeting, and I want you to join me. But to be in my inner circle, I need your name. I believe I am a gentleman here and hold manners in very high regard. So at the very least, I want to address you correctly. I told you mine, so I guess it's fair you tell me yours, too. This is also a basic security precaution, so we can make sure we aren't dealing with any shady governmental spider robots. You have time to enter your name in the field below and a convenient email address where you can be reached. You don't need to worry about receiving any spam. We are a company unlike anything you have come across before. I give you my gentleman's word that this is only to secure your spot as a trainee of Armtech and to have means to reach you if necessary in the event that there are connectivity issues with this video or other unforeseen circumstances. As I said before, you can board this plane now with me or remain on the ground empty-handed. Are you willing to dive right in and enjoy the financial freedom you have always known to be out there somewhere but hardly ever managed to grab it? This is your chance. Don't mess it up. Oh, we're getting close to the airport. So what's our ETA, Gretchen?
We should arrive any minute, Mr. Shoemaker. Also, the pilot has informed me that the skies are clear all the way through Palo Alto, so it should be an enjoyable flight.
Thank God. I mean, despite all the flying I've done, I still hate bumpy rides. I mean, it just really makes me uneasy. Man, remember that time over Dubai?
Yes, that was quite an adventure. I don't think I've ever been that scared in my life.
You can say that again. I need your name. Time is passing. The clock is ticking. We're about to board the plane now. Are you in or are you out? You only have seconds to decide. It's decision time. Are you flying with me or are you staying on the ground?